Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I'll be showing you around this approved used exciting Audi TT Black Edition S-Tronic Quattro. At the time of this recording, the vehicle has done just 7,888 miles. To the side of the car's profile, standing on an impressive 20-inch alloy wheel with a 10Y spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S&Boss logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as connection to your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display, going into Audi smartphone, to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. Telephone, to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media, to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio, to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio station. And back on the car menu. To the side of the car's vehicle you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature. Finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox, an electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, with the MMI control pad and a handy cup holder for those morning coffees. To the passenger side and driver side you had the heated seats for those chillier mornings. This approved used Audi TT is now available and on site. For more information please contact our sales team who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.